Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is give her a bow, and then we are going to put polka dots on that purple area there where I need to fix that hole. Okay, so for the bow, I'd like the bow to have a little bit of texture to it because the butterflies that we're going to put on the cake have texture on them. And I'm using just this textured rolling pin. So first I roll it out with the regular rolling pin. Take this and roll it across like so. Take my pizza cutter and cut a couple of strips. Okay, we'll do this one first. Let me cut this in half. Take the small scissors, and these two pieces are going to be the tails to the bow. So if I cut it in a V shape like that, take the top and just kind of pinch that off a little bit. Take some water, put it right in here, and then have this come from the center down. I'll need a little bit more water. Okay, so you just need the water wherever you want that to stick. And then the other side, pinch the top part of the bow. Okay, so now I need the next strip to be just a little bit wider. Okay. Take this, flip it over, and flip these in. Then pinch the center. Then take one more piece of this. That's a little wide. I like to cut it so that I have a flower right in the center. Okay, and that one's better actually. Tuck that around the back. Put it right in front of these antennas. She's so cute. Oh, what big eyelashes she has. Okay, so polka dots. I actually want to do yellow. So I'm going to just pop some yellow out. And I'll just roll some balls, flatten them. Say that has green on it. Flatten them a little bit. Tiny bit of water.